Welcome to Pulse 24. This week, the abstract world of AI gets very real, with hard cash, hard borders, and hard questions about data. I'm Nate, and with me is Dr. Anya Sharma. Anya, good to have you.
Great to be here, Nate.
Let's start with a big move in commerce. Asking an AI for a gift idea is one thing, but buying it directly in the chat window is another. What does this change for business leaders?
It collapses the sales funnel instantly. On September 29th, Stripe and OpenAI enabled purchases directly within ChatGPT for US users, starting with Etsy and soon Shopify merchants. They are using an open standard called the Agentic Commerce Protocol, which lets AI agents securely handle transactions.
So the chatbot becomes the shopfront, the assistant, and the cashier all at once. What's the risk here, losing the customer relationship to the AI?
Precisely. Leaders should now treat conversational interfaces as a primary sales channel, not just a marketing one. The immediate next step is to get familiar with this new protocol and decide on a strategy for how your brand and products will be represented by these AI agents.
Staying with big strategic shifts, we're seeing nations move from AI policy papers to building physical AI infrastructure. How should leaders think about these new digital borders?
They should think of them as new supply chains. On October 1st, OpenAI announced a major partnership with Samsung and SK Hynix in South Korea to secure memory chips for its Stargate project. The deal anticipates needing up to 900,000 wafers a month by 2029, a huge portion of global capacity.
And this isn't just happening in Asia. The EU is making similar moves.
That's right. On October 5th, details of the EU's Apply AI strategy emerged, backed by an initial €1 billion to foster a sovereign AI ecosystem and reduce dependency on US and Chinese tech. For operators, this means geopolitical alignment is now a critical factor in your long-term tech stack and supply chain planning.
Let's turn to the data that fuels all this. The rules on using our data are being rewritten, it seems. What's the most significant recent change?
The change is that the implicit contract is becoming explicit. On October 1st, Meta confirmed it will start using interactions with its AI chats to personalize ads on Facebook and Instagram from December 16th. This doesn't apply in the UK and EU yet due to stricter privacy laws.
At the same time, governments are pushing for more access, not less.
Correct. As reported on October 1st, the UK government has renewed its push under the Investigatory Powers Act to compel Apple to provide access to encrypted iCloud data for British citizens. This forces leaders to confront a new risk landscape where user data is being directly monetized by platforms on one side and legally requisitioned by states on the other. Reviewing your company's data privacy and user consent policies is now urgent.
Time for the lightning round. 2 quick stories shaping the landscape. What's first?
California enacted its landmark AI safety law, SB 53, on September 29th. It creates a de facto national standard in the US, requiring developers of the most powerful frontier models to publish safety frameworks and report catastrophic risks. Teams need to bake these transparency reports into their release cycles now.
And the second?
The legal risks around intellectual property are escalating. On October 1st, it was reported that Character Data removed Disney personas from its platform after receiving a cease and desist letter. This is a clear warning for any platform built on user-generated AI content. You must have a robust process for handling IP takedown requests from rights holders.
Anya, thank you for the sharp analysis.
My pleasure, Nate.
Stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.